Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to reinstall TikTok after you deleted the app. Now, if you have deleted the app and if you want to reinstall it again, this process is pretty much easy. You just have to go and open your Play Store and search here for TikTok, then download it again. You just have download button right here. You just have to click on download. And after you download it, you'll have to log in back into your account. And once you log in, you will find out that all your saves and videos in the account will be the same. Nothing will be deleted. And if you cannot actually access the application from the Play Store, in this case, you'll have to change the country from your phone settings. So I will show exactly how to do it, or you can simply go and open a VPN, any VPN that you actually prefer. I use Planet VPN or other one which is called VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, or simply I use any other VPNs. It actually doesn't matter. But here in my case, I'll show you exactly how to change the region. So I'm gonna open the phone settings, then search here for region, and here you have it. You just now have to choose another region that has the application in its App Store or Play Store. And after that, you will have to go and restart your phone. And once you restart it, the region will be updated. And this will result in changing the region also in Play Store so that if you cannot actually find the application, you can now find it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.